In this video, we'll be following the three-step process to creating a playlist. Firstly, we need to navigate to the Content section and to the Playlist tab. Here you have a list of all your existing playlists, but also have the option to create a new playlist. You can also use the button at the top of your screen to create a new playlist. On this screen, you can see all of your clips on the left side. You can filter this list of clips based on ownership, status, type, and category, so you can find what you're looking for easier. To add it to a playlist, you can either press the plus button, or you can drag and drop. So now on the right hand side of the screen, you can see the list of clips you've added to the playlist. You need to give the playlist a name, check its duration, select if you want it to play sequentially or randomly, and check whether it's a landscape or portrait playlist. Click Next, and you'll arrive at the calendar view of the playlist schedule. You can select to have the playlist always play, or click Add Schedule to be more specific. If you click Next again, you can decide where your playlist will play. On the left side of the screen, you can select player groups. So if I select that I want the playlist to play on all players in Amsterdam, all players that play news content, and all the players that are outdoors, the player will play on all the players that meet one of these categories. However, if I switch it to match all options, then it will only play on players that meet all three category requirements, so only on players that are in Amsterdam, play news content, and are outdoors. Or you can select specific players to add the playlist to by clicking here, and then clicking Save. And then you can synchronize your changes. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure you check out the rest of our videos.